Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can convert a PPT PowerPoint file to the video file. So let me open my PowerPoint. As of now, in this slide we have 14, this PPT we have 14 slides, and if I wanted to convert all this into the video, what we can do is we can, like, say for example, we can apply some animation. So I'll click on the like transition, and here I will choose random. So randoms, and all those got applied. Now I'll change this. As of now, if I go to the presentation 5, if you see, sorry, it got, so there is some transitions are there, it is getting applied, it moving, right? So now I'll change this PPT file to our video file, and it will be working the same. So some of the system will not be having PowerPoint application. If you want to share with those data to, like, information with that, no, if we share, and if there is no, in that person's system there is no PowerPoint install, then he will not able to view it. So if we change to the our video file, anywhere we can share it, right? And no one will be able to edit even our file. So I'll click on the file, click on the save as. It will say ask for the path where you want to save. If I click on the browse, click on the desktop, click on the desktop, and as of now I'll put as a sample video from PPT. Okay, and now I'll give the name, but do not hit save. Click on the this save as type, and click on the this Windows Media Video, and hit on the save. So as soon as you hit on the save, if you see, the file is getting converted, and since it is like there is a 14 slides are there, it will take some time. Slowly our file is getting created, and its bar is moving, the progress bar is moving. Yeah, so sometime it takes time. As of now, half of the file is got created. Since it is a lot of tests, a lot of things are there, so it's converting, and you have to wait if it is just moving, right? So sometime if you have 5 or 6 slides are there, it will move very quickly, but if you like there's more than 10 slides, so it will take some time. So our file got successfully completed, the bar got disappeared from here. If I'll go to my desktop, and I can see that there is a simple video, this file got created here. I'll click on the play. So that if you see, that file got created, and it's moving. It got created for the almost 1.5 minutes video. How to insert slide, PowerPoint interfaces, all these slide I have, right? So all these got created. If I'll move further, formatting font, small dots, right? So all these things are, and this is the way we can create a video file. So it will also include, if we have something, right, on the, like, some audio files is there, some actions you having, some video is there, so everything will get converted and it will be created on the video file. So hope you have understand how we can create a video file from the PPT. That's all for this video.